G'day. I'm going to install a, this is a 2022 Seadoo Spark Linq. I want to install a Seadoo the Linq system for the rear. I've purchased one from the from a dealer yesterday. That's the part number. That's the price in 2018. They must have had it on the shelf for a while, because the new price has gone up 20%. Bastards. Anyway, it's going to fit on the deck here. It's very easy to get apart. There's screws underneath at the bottom here, which you're going to have to take out. And the this is going to fit in here. These will go on top, like that. There are 3 torque bits on each side. Underneath the deck are these screws. It's just a 10mm socket. Underneath the ski, looking up at the bucket there, there's another 2 screws. One there, a bit hard to see. There's one on the other side as well. Okay, I've removed 11 of these screws and 6 of these ones, the torque set ones. This deck should just come off now. Bit of luck. There we go. You're left with this here. That's the top of the rear deck off. That's the rear deck upside down. Then this piece of foam comes out. Lift for that deck. And now, I think might as well try it goes. But that is going to go there like that. These little cutouts fit between here. That locates it. And these brackets are going to go on the other side. So we just need to drill a hole through here. 4 holes. We're in business. Okay, with that plate in place, pretty bulletproof. Just going to drill a 1332 hole. 4 of them. Okay. Got 4 holes drilled here. They're going to go through easily. It's all good. Just going to run a bit of Sikaflex around this area. There we go. Turn that back over. Drop them into place. Gets everywhere, that shit. Drop our bolts in. These go from the other side. Bolts on this side. Plates on that side. Just nip them up. I can't film and hold a shifter and a span at the same time, but the bolts just come through on the other side. And that's how it turns out. Now just throw this bit of foam back in. Nice. And then this just goes back on top. Piece of cake. And then just put the screws back in the way you took them out. There we go. Treat. So the whole job takes about 30 minutes. It didn't take long at all. Hope this helps. If it helps you, please give my video a like.